Hi, my name is Noe Alonzo, and I'm your dance professor here on YouTube. If you find anything helpful from today, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. So welcome to the Charleston series. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go watch it right now. Part 2, we are just going over basic few patterns that I like to go through just to get a feel for the floor and a feel for the partner I'm dancing with to see what we're actually doing. So, having said that, let's get to it.
Okie dokie guys, we are starting off with a Charleston Basic like we did in the last episode. From here we're going to be going to our walks to the left. All you're really doing is just changing your posture just slightly from that forward bend to a more upright and bringing your follow along for the ride. I usually find that it's pretty easy to get somebody to do that. Now from the follower's perspective, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be going pretty much around your leader. Not too crazy. From here, we're starting off with a Charleston Basic and going into our kick-throughs. Now, our kick-throughs are a really fun showboaty kind of move. It's an opening up. What you're doing is you're going from a closed position and then going to a side-by-side position where you're just holding the right hand of the follow and the left hand of the leader. This move, of course, can be done on the other side if you just follow through, but right now what I'm doing is I'm going from a closed position to a hand-to-hand position and then reverting back.
Hey guys, hopefully you found that very helpful and hopefully you had fun dancing it. If you just dance it by yourself, that's pretty cool. If you dance it with a partner, it can be slightly challenging, just going through the transitions, the hand placements and all that. But I feel like in the beginning, what you need to focus on is yourself before you start dancing with a partner. That's why I'm showing all these step patterns by myself without any aid. That way you can understand that like it's possible to just know my steps. And then later on, I can focus on somebody else. It's like learning how to talk, and then having to communicate with somebody else. It can sometimes be kind of different and infuriating, especially when both of you have a barrier. And the barrier in the beginning usually is your own footwork. So that's what I'm trying to focus on today, is I'm trying to focus on just that. So when I say to the left, that's usually for the leads, and to the right, that's usually for the follow. If you find anything helpful from today, please leave a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.